And we're back.
Yeah, one of these days we'll get this figured out properly, so it's easier on everybody.
At least everybody can hear people now. So
Yeah.
I think the quality works a lot better too if the video is off. That's why I've been turning mine off too.
Yeah.
I don't even know how to do that on my phone, so you're stuck looking at my ugly face.
I don't even look at the video feed.
Yeah, I'm not looking at the video either. I'm looking at the quiz.
We gotta download something.
All right. Are we going over the preparation assignment at all?
I don't think we really need to be honest.
I don't think so either. I meant, does anyone have questions?
I think we're good.
I'm good.
Okay, good.
All right, so we want to go straight into the quiz.
Yep.
Yeah.
This one's a little longer, 18 questions.
Oh no.
All right.
I'm ready when everyone else is.
All right, me too.
Ready?
All right, I'll start with question 3. The total area under a normal distribution curve must equal 1.
That's what I
Is it
said.
100. It's 1, right? Yeah.
One. Yeah.
Under certain circumstances, a normal distribution curve can drop below the x-axis.
That's false, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
it has to be the Y, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
A normal distribution curve is symmetric. Is that true?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh wow, this is a pretty picture. Which of the following elements in the figure represents the z-score? So that's like the bottom part.
Yeah, C.
Yeah, C.
Yeah. All right. Which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that the z-score will be greater than 1? B.
Is that B?
Yeah.
B?
Oh, yeah, B, because A would be -1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So B.
Okay.
Is that my turn?
Mm-hmm.
All right, cool. According to the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, the data from the bell-shaped distribution will be with one standard deviation of the mean. Write your answer as a percentage. So are we doing it off this graph up here?
So one standard deviation would be 95, because 68 is the middle, right?
Yeah.
It's the mean.
It's the middle. Yeah.
So it'd be 95 then? Do we do 95 and then a percent sign, or do we just do 95?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about.
So just write the number.
Yeah, it just says such as 42. I don't see a percentage symbol after it.
Yeah. Okay.
I was
I'll-
just confused as to
I'll
where
stick
to
with
clarify
my
that.
Although it says what percentage of the data from the bell-shaped distribution will be within one standard deviation. So are they looking for 95 minus 68, like just that portion? You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Yeah.
well, I'm thinking that because I don't think that they would clarify, the right your answer as a percentage is just 42 if they wanted 95.
Right. So it'd be 27 then.
Okay, let's try that.
Okay. So then we're on number 9 now.
Mm-hmm.
Or
Okay,
you
I'll
go.
do 9.
Okay,
Is
you
that my
go ahead.
turn? I don't know. Okay. Suppose that z-scores come from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal probability applet to answer this question. What portion of the z-scores will be between -1 and 1? Give your answer as a decimal accurate to 3 decimal places.
Okay.
So we gotta open up this program thingy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Cool. Mine's loading.
I have 0.6827.
How did you do that again? Sorry.
So when you open up the applet, you just highlight that center area because that's the area that's between -1 and 1. And up at the top, that field populates with whatever portion that area is
Okay, yeah,
highlighted.
you click on it. That's cool. Sorry, I was like trying to like.
So you only want that middle portion in between the 2 red lines to be highlighted. Nothing
So-
outside of that.
Okay, so 0.85?
Would it be point
683.
Yeah.
0.683?
Yeah, I moved them, so I was trying to adjust it right to where it was at. But.
All right.
So suppose the z-scores come from a standard normal distribution, use the same app. What proportion of the z-scores will be between -2 and 2?
Do you guys get 95.5 or 0.955?
Yep.
Yeah, 0.955.
Cool. Is that me again? Sorry. Cool. Same thing. Put 3s.
0.997.
0.997, right?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I.
That's what I got.
Mm-hmm. All
The
right.
applet is awesome as long as you use it properly, right?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah.
Look carefully at your answers to the last 3 questions. What do you observe? The 6899.
Yeah, the
Oh.
first one, 68, 95, 99 rule.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it my turn?
Yeah. Sure.
All right. So the amount of protein that an individual must consume is different for every person. There are solid theoretical ideas that suggest that the protein requirement will be normally distributed in the population of the United States. The protein requirement is given in terms of the number of grams of good quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram body of weight. The population mean protein requirement for adults is 0.65. And the population standard deviation is 0.07 grams. What portion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.6? Give your answer as a decimal accurate to 3 decimal places.
Wouldn't it just be 0.65 minus 0.07? Or plus 0.07?
Well, wouldn't that
What
put
if-
us below 60,
Yeah, it was below.
the 0.60 if we did 0.07,
Yeah, we want
right?
to start at 60, not 0.58.
So I think this is where we do that calculation of the z
Mm-hmm.
equals, we take
Yeah. X.
0.60 minus 0.65 divided by 0.07. Let's calculate that and see what we get.
Wait, would it be minus 0.65? Because that was
Yeah.
Okay.
So I get a negative 0.7143.
Sorry, I'm trying to do that.
Oh, it says round to 3 decimal places, so I guess just negative 0.714.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
That's what I got.
That's fine. Negative
Alright.
point.
So did you just do the negative symbol, or are we supposed to do that in brackets?
Yeah, I don't think we
Uh,
put the negative in because actually looking at the little formula they have, it has the negative to the power of -1 on the kilograms and whatever the D stands for.
Oh, yeah. Yep, I see.
True.
So I think it's just 714, sorry.
Yeah, I agree.
Good catch. Good catch.
Yeah,
Cool. Is that me?
sure.
Yeah, go ahead.
What proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is more than 0.0 or 0.6? Yeah, give your answer. So
Is that just 1 minus the 0.7.4?
I would think so.
So 0.286, that's what I got.
Yep.
Wait, what was your math on that one again? Sorry.
0.286.
So we just subtracted the number that we got in question 13 from 1, because that
Okay.
gives us everybody that's greater than the 0.60.
Okay, so it was 0.28, or what was it, sorry?
0.286.
Yeah.
Cool. 15, what portion of the population have a protein? 7.
Are we ready for 15?
Yeah, let's do.
Okay. What proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 70 grams? So we just do that same equation only with 70.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Okay, so 0.70 minus 0.65 divided by 0.07.
I got 7.714 as well.
I did too.
Yeah, that's weird.
Yeah.
We do something wrong here. What are we missing? Let's see.
Mm.
Oh, you know what I think we're supposed to be doing? I think we need to plug in this number into the applet for
Which
the
number?
Z-score. So the 0.714,
Okay.
let
It
me
goes
see
into
what
the
happens
applet.
if we do that.
Okay, so let's see. So we put in the 0.714.
Into the Z-score.
Okay.
Is that right? I don't know.
So then we use the area.
Yeah.
And we just shade in the left side, right?
Yes, because this one's, so we're going back to, are we back on number
Question
13?
Yeah, if we go back to number 13 and do the negative 0.714,
Mm-hmm.
the area of probability is 0.2376.
Mm-hmm.
So it'll be 0.238.
Yeah. Good thinking, Ginger.
I'm hoping I'm right. I don't know. We'll see when we submit
We'll
this.
see. All right.
Um,
And more than 60, I got 0.7624. So 0.762.
I got 2.238 as well.
Same.
That would be for number 15.
Oh yeah, sorry, wait 1 second.
I think you're right, Dorothy, for number 14. what's the requirement that is more? What portion of the population of fresh site that is more than 60? Because if we're just looking at the applet and saying that the 60 is the left side of the first red line, then the other two areas in between the red and to the right of the second red line would be everyone greater than the 60.
Oh, that makes sense. So like 0.762.
Yeah, for 14.
Okay, yeah, I'm following. Cool. Alright.
Now I backed my answer out for number 15, so I don't remember what the z-score
It'll
was.
be the same as number 13, so it'll be 0.238
Okay.
because it's just the area to the right of the red line, which is the same size.
So 0.406.
For number 15, 0.238.
As the z-score or as the answer?
As the answer.
Because the z-score would just be set 0.714, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I put 0.238 as the z-score in the applet.
Okay, then 16. Are we good to move on to 16?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
ready.
so
All right.
sure.
Do you want me to read this?
Sure.
Okay, I didn't know if everyone was reading it personally or if I was disconnected. Find the probability that a randomly selected person will have the protein requirement that is between 60 and 70 grams. Hint, remember that to find the area between the two values, shade to the left of each z-score you calculate and then subtract the smaller area from the larger area. Make sure your answer is positive. This is the probability that a randomly selected observation will lie between the two values.
All right. We had a question similar to this on the homework. 7E was the same. How did I do that?
And I'm going back to...
But how would those numbers be different if the z-score is the same?
Let's see. Let me read this again. Point. So is that just subtracting? So if we do 0.762 minus 0.238. Let's see.
So 0.524.
I mean, that's the same sort of formula that I used when I did the homework for question 7E. This is basically asking the same thing, just with different scenario.
Yeah.
Okay, so 0.524.
0.524. You guys are probably going to kill me if we get all these wrong.
No.
It's all
No,
good. I was trying to homework 5 at work, so like now that I'm taking the quiz, I'm like, probably didn't know as well as I thought I did.
So for percentiles, we need to do a different equation, right? So that's x equals, I think it's the mean plus the z-score times the standard deviation, right?
Yes.
Right.
So 0.65.
So wait, are you guys using like the number 35 in your equation?
That's where I'm having the hardest time understanding this.
I'm like trying to figure out what variable that goes into.
Right. Because it gives us the mean and the standard deviation, but
Yeah, so we use the same z-score formula, but we're trying to find the value of x in this situation, because x would be the 10th or the whatever that percentile, 35th percentile. That's the way.
So we find the z-score for the 35th for 35.
No, let's see. Our z-score. What is the z-score? Let's see. All right.
I'll write down my work as I do it. That way you can refer.
I used the applet when we were
No.
doing it on the homework.
Yeah,
I'm just
I
trying
did
to figure
too.
out what I did.
Okay.
I mean, would we just take like 35 as a percent in this case? And then try and put that in the equation?
I don't remember doing that.
Yeah, I don't remember putting 10 in our homework.
Let's see. Go back 70.
Or did we put 0.10 in the applet? And that gave us
0.23.
I think 0.35 is the z-score.
I don't really know what else it would be besides that, so that's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Did you do 60
Put it in
minus
that-
70 times 0.65? No, I don't know. So how did you get that?
So as I'm looking at the probability applet, I I put in 0.35. There's just no other variable that would make sense in, because if you look, I don't know, it couldn't be the mean because we obviously have the mean, and the standard deviation we have, so it's got to be and if you plug it in, that comes out to 0.6745, which I don't know, that seems like the most logical answer to me on that.
Okay. So if you put the z-score in the normal probability output, you get 0.6.
Oh, so to find the percentile, it's a different equation.
Mm-hmm.
So it's x equals the mean plus, and then brackets, you have the z-score times the standard deviation.
Okay. Oh, okay. I'm remembering that now.
And when I did that, 0.35 times 0.07, and then you add that to 0.65 is 0.6745.
Mhm. Okay.
Because we have all the other variables, I don't see how else that would fit in. I could be completely wrong though, so.
So you said that's 0.675? Is that what you said?
Yeah. And then for 18, I got 0.706 if we're doing the same equation.
Yeah, same here.
If you guys want to, I could submit it just to see if all those are right.
Sure.
Yeah?
That's cool.
Yeah.
And Susie, again, real quick.
What
there's
did you
a
say
lot
for
of numbers.
18?
0.704. Well, give me a second to go back. It's
Sorry.
all good.
0.706.
Yeah, 706. Yeah. All right, I'm just submitting it here really quick. Just give me a sec. And looks like, so we missed number 8. And we missed number 15. Oh, and we missed 17.
8, 15, and 17?
Yeah, but we did get 18 right. So
Yeah, that's kind of weird.
that's kind of weird. So 17, 15, and 8.
All right. Well, should we start?
So, number 8, is that 95 then? Because we did 68 minus 95.
Let me get back to that question real quick.
So
That
what
was
we can do,
68, 95, 99.7%.
So what
And
I think we can try multiple answers, because what we could do is you all
Like, I
haven't,
could
you haven't
time.
submitted it, right?
I haven't
Right.
submitted anything. Yeah.
If each one of us, we try and answer, and then they submit, and then we see, what,
Mhm.
does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah.
Okay,
I'll do the next.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll be after you, Ginger.
Okay. So for 8, I'm putting in 95.
Okay.
And then for 15, go back to that. What proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 70?
Hmm.
So I was really dumb and deleted my answer. What did we put on that before that was wrong?
0.238 is what we put on number 15.
Okay, cool. I just didn't want to do the math and then suggest the same thing.
Yeah.
My phone is on 10% battery. I'm gonna go grab my charger.
Yeah.
I don't see what we did wrong with number 15.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure that out too.
I'm wondering if the rounding, you're supposed to round down. Oh, wait, never mind. Sorry.
Let's see.
Okay.
0.7 minus.
I'm like wondering, would it be 762? If we added, like shaded the middle region too?
Well, that's what we have for question 14 as the answer.
Okay.
Oh. 0.714.
Okay, can you guys hear me still?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Here, let me hold her.
Less than 70%.
So is it not possible for the same number to happen for, like in 14 we have is more than 60, and then in 15 we have is less than 70? Is it not possible for those to be the same answer, or?
I mean, technically, if 0 people are between like 60 and 70, but I doubt that's the case.
Tough question.
I'm feeling totally lost all of a sudden. I don't know how I got through the homework and now I'm like, okay. On the homework, I seem to work backwards on everything because I would check the answer and then I'd figure out how they got to that answer. Everything to the left. Let's see. Three decimal places. Portion of population have protein.
Will you take it?
7, 0. Standard deviation. All right, I need to go back in the book and find out where this is. Chapter 5. Curves. Oh, wait. Okay, so I need to put in 0.07.
Okay, so I think that the answer is for number 15. Sorry, let me redo this real quick. Because I just redid 14 and retraced what we did. And we shaded both the middle and the right region to get 762. In 15, we only shaded the left region. And so I think we have to have both of them. Let me do the math real quick again.
And what did you have as the z-score in there?
Okay, 714. So,
Okay.
never mind, I don't know. 762. It would be the same number as we have for 13.
Right.
Oh, no, 14.
Oh, this is so confusing.
You know what? I'm going to go ahead and try that on mine.
same answer for 15 as 14?
Yeah. Because both the equations have the same z-score.
I mean, it's definitely worth a shot.
See,
Yeah, I'll go ahead and try that one.
7, 6.
What other ones did we get wrong?
You got 8 and 17 wrong as well. I
Okay.
think 17, if we redo because the equation worked for the 80th percentile, I just wonder if we rounded the wrong way. Because we rounded up, we might need to round down. Maybe we should try that. Or I can just redo the thing.
So what was the number before we rounded?
It's 0.6745.
Okay.
So it's
So we
probably,
should leave it 0.674.
yeah. And then what did we change 8 to? It's 95.
Yeah, 8 we
Please
changed to
put
95.
So if
All
you
right.
want to do that, Dorothy, then you can just test it.
All right, sounds good. I'm submitting right now. All right, we missed 8 again,
Really?
and we missed 17.
Okay.
But that's
Well,
it.
we got one right.
So so 15 is the same as 14?
Yep.
0.762. Wow.
That's so
Good
weird.
call.
Mhm. Okay, so for 8, let's see. She's gonna sleep.
You think it might be because we're not putting like a percentage at the end?
No, usually they don't want, extra like dollar signs or anything like that. Because it says write your answer as a percentage such as 42
Yeah, I mean, it's just kind
rather
of
than as 0.42.
strange.
Huh. What percentage of data from the bell-shaped will be within the standard deviation?
Wouldn't that just be the 60? Where is this question? Wouldn't that be 68?
Well, 68 is the mean, isn't it? Or is it not?
No, I think
Let's see.
68 is the,
The one away?
yeah. And then I think 98 is the 2 away, and then 97 or whatever is 3 away.
Oh, you're right. I just found it in the book. It says for any bell-shaped distribution, 68% of the data will lie within one standard deviation of the mean. There you have it. You're right.
Okay.
68. For number 8.
So
And
17
then we're
is the last one.
17.
I don't know how we got 80, but we got 35, or we got
18.
18 right, but 17 wrong. That's what doesn't make sense to me.
Yeah.
It's the exact same equation.
What was the equation that you used for 18? Run that by me
So
again.
it's it's the z-score is 0.8,
Uh-huh.
and then you times that times 0.07, and then you add that to 0.65.
.076 or 0.706 is what I got.
Yeah.
And we had 0.675 as the answer written in there.
Hey, what one was for that? Like
Oh,
what?
no, I'm sorry. That's 18. You're right. Forget what I just said.
Okay.
Did we have
Yours-
0.706 for 18?
Yeah, that's what 18 is.
Yeah,
Okay, so
0.35 times 0.07.
And then we did 0.675 for, and yeah,
Yeah.
I'm still getting that.
Let me go back.
so why would 17 not work? That's why I'm like, maybe they just have the wrong answer.
Yeah, we should write an email, send it into the professor.
Point 0.07.
Oh, wait a second. Wouldn't the z-score be negative? Would that change anything?
Oh, you're right, because isn't it lower than 50?
Yeah. So that'd be
I think you're
negative 0.35.
Yeah, it'd just be negative 0.675, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that's where we got it wrong. Times 0.07 plus 0.65. Okay, that's where we got it wrong. So it's 0.625. Does somebody want to try that?
Negative 0.625 or 75?
It's positive, so it's 0.625.
Wait, 25?
Yeah, 0.625 or 626, excuse me. Because you round back.
So negative 0.6.
So
No
if you do the-
negative though, right?
Yeah, no negative. So what the equation works out, so it's negative 0.35 minus, or excuse me, times 0.07, so the standard deviation. And I'll run through that equation one more time to make sure it's right. It's 0.07. So that's negative 0.0245, but then you add 0.65, and that comes to 0.6255. So 0.62.
All right. I'll submit my answers. And with that, let's see how we did.
Yeah. And then if you get it right, you can just leave all the answers open so we can record them.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so number 8 is right with 68. And 15 was 0.762, yep. Yep, so 17 is 0.626, you're right. We just needed that negative in there. Perfect, so that gives us everything right.
Yeah.
Which ones do you guys need? What answers do you need?
Could you just start at the top?
Yep, all right, so
Number three.
starting with question 3, answers 1. Question 4 is false. 5 is true. 6 is C. 7B. 8, 68. 9, 0.683. Tell me if I'm going too fast.
Yeah, too fast.
Okay, sorry.
So 9 is what?
0.683.
Okay, and then 10?
10 is 0.955.
11?
0.997.
12?
12 is they match the rule 6895997.
So A. And
Yeah.
then 13?
0.238.
238.
14 is 0.762.
Okay, and 15 as well, right?
Same, yep.
And then 16?
0.524.
Okay,
17 is 0.626. And 18 is 0.706.
Perfect. And did
Beautiful.
Dorothy get those too?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, good.
All right, moment of truth.
Perfect.
Make sure I didn't type anything wrong here. Okay, 100%.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Thank you, guys.
Stuck on
How'd you
loading.
do, James?
I pushed submit quiz and the page is like being slow on me. So hopefully it's submitting it.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, I'm just full of technology
That's all
problems.
right. We'll hang on and to make sure that it goes through in case you have to reboot and need the answers again.
Well, honestly, I think I have all the answers written down on my paper right in front of me. So like, yeah, we can just
Is
Perfect.
get
it
it.
still waiting for it to
It's still
load?
waiting, but I have it all written
Oh.
down. So
You
yeah, I
sure?
mean, yeah, I'm
All
positive.
righty.
All right.
All right. Well, we'll sign off until next Tuesday. See you guys then.
Good. See you guys.
Take care.
Done.
Bye.
Bye.